This is the Yoovl Leaf Blower Pro Plus. I got this in exchange for my honest review. I'm going to show you how this works. One of the things I love about this already is how lightweight it is. It came with this piece that just snapped on. Came with 2 rechargeable batteries. This one, I've already charged it. It's on here, ready to go. Nice long nozzle. You can see that. And got your power button right here. And this is for the speeds, so that powers it on. Another nice feature is this strap. But the thing I love about this the most is how it's not very heavy. So if you've got a lot of yard work to do, this is very easy. You can very easily one-hand tote it. But this strap allows you to be hands-free when you need to be. So put this on like this, show you. Nice little accessory I've got here. See that? So we are ready to work. Light enough, but if I need my hands free to do whatever, I can do that too. It comes with 2 of these 20-volt max batteries. I just finished charging this. It was really easy. You just plug it in and it charges. And then it slides on the back of here. So easy. Has a nice little shoulder strap right here that clips. I just clip that on there. This can go on my shoulder. It's not heavy at all. Very easy to attach the end to it. The battery, like I said, it comes with a spare. Pick it up. It's very powerful. Has 3 settings right here. That is one. Pretty powerful. It came with 2 rechargeable batteries, which is really nice. You just plug it up to the charger, charges right up, and you've got 2 of these, so you can always have one ready to go. It also came with a nice manual. All the instructions for how to use it, how to store it, the cautions, just everything you need to know about the blower. How to put it together, but it was very easy to assemble. This is what it looked like in the box, and everything was in there nicely packaged. It charges for 2.5 hours with these chargers, and the charge lasts 150 minutes, which is a perfect amount of time to do a lot of yard work. The 3rd speed . So this is a really great lightweight blower. I feel like anyone can use it because it's not super heavy, and I love that it has the 2 rechargeable batteries, and the charger that comes with it works really well and has this shoulder strap, so if you need your hands to be free, it's just convenient, and a nice extra that it has. Great for organizing your yard or blowing off your driveway, your street, whatever you need to do, your steps. Really great tool for the garden, for your yard.